Happy anniversary to Papua New Guinea. Happy to be out. Happy anniversary, Papua New Guinea, 50 years on. We're still going stronger and stronger and greater and greater. So if you know independence, there will be nowhere. Take independence, so we must be proud and we must be happy. Happy independence!
We must unite as one people, one nation, one country.
It's a great crowd. It's defining our country, you know, working together, side by side, step by step.
I just want to thank him, father of the nation, Michael Samare. Through him, we are like this. We came so far. It's like independence. We talk God by bless him all. Kita Papua New Guinea.
I'm excited. Good for something to me looking, and new blood generation will come up behind.
We are the next generation and the next future leaders of the country. We see this as a milestone, and then there's more to come.
Myanmar through to celebrate this independence. 50th independence na participate inside law. All programs now, we block to celebrate him now.
Let's celebrate this 50th anniversary. There will never be another 50th anniversary as we come. We ought to count it a privilege and an honor to be in this time.
We must lift our people out of poverty. We must create more employment for our children. We must create more opportunities for our children. We must build a safe, secure environment. We must give up violence. We must learn to live together, and it starts with leaders of our country.
Celebrate the independence proudly.
If Papua New Guinea always united together and work together, we believe Papua New Guinea will grow even faster and better.
Happy 50th anniversary, Papua New Guinea.
Happy 50th anniversary, Papua New Guinea. Stay with you guys.
Happy 50th anniversary, Papua New Guinea. Love you all. May God bless Papua New Guinea.
Happy 50th independence anniversary.
Happy independent Papua New Guinea. I'm last one day today.
Celebrate your journey, celebrate your story, celebrate Papua New Guinea, and think about the next 50 years.